Hi, and welcome back to WetplatedDreams, the vlog about antique lenses and cameras. My name is Dennis and I'm the host. And today we're going to talk about a topic that is rather a bit spicy or delicate. We're going to talk about patina and cleaning lenses or even polishing lenses. For this matter, I have here a really nice lens made by Voigtlander. This is a Euroscope lens, series 4 number 6. And I selected this one because it, in my opinion, it shows a really nice patina. You can see on the sides here there is some loss of coating and already some small part of oxidation. But overall it looks rather nice. And this is a lens that I wouldn't polish at all. And all I did was slightly clean it, and then I coated it again with a coating that is quite similar to the original coating was used back then. It's a coating on a shellac basis, and yeah, I apply several layers of it, and this way the brass underneath is protected for many years. But there are also lenses that come to me that show a rather different condition, like this small piece here. This one, it doesn't look like much, but it's actually a very interesting lens because it was made by C.C. Harrison, the famous US maker. You can barely make out the engraving on the brass. As you can see, the coating is completely gone, the protective coating, and the brass already started to oxidize on quite some degree. There are already places that are corroding, and if we going to leave it like this, it will probably start to corrode and even more, and yeah, at some point the brass will collapse. There are also some bends here and here, and the glass is also quite dirty and shows some separation. But this is not even the worst condition I get lenses. Take a look at this one. I know some people who would say you should leave a lens like this in the condition. This is all authentic patina. I kinda partially agree and partially disagree there, because this is patina in my opinion, and I would preserve a lens like this, but otherwise I would leave it like this. But this is already damaged in my opinion, and that's why I would actually clean this lens. I would try not to polish it, but clean it as much as possible, and then probably apply a protective coating. I also have some examples of lenses that came in a similar condition to the Harrison lens. For example, this lens made by Valentin. This was an early maker. I think it's around 80s, 60s, something like this. And it came in a similar condition to the Harrison lens. The coating was already gone completely, and the brass already started to oxidize. So I did clean the oxidation, most of it, but I still left some parts that now shows its patina. You see it's not polished, but it's cleaned. And again, the most important part is that I coated it in the end, so it's protected for the future. And again, I have another lens here. This one was actually made by Diamire. It's a 3B, the famous 3B lens. This is the more modern version, which comes with the soft focus in the front. So you actually didn't have to take out the lens from the camera. You just could adjust the focus, soft focus on the front. Yeah, and this also came in a pretty rough condition. The protective coating was gone. The brass already showed some sign of oxidation. And like the Valentine lens, I did clean it properly. And then I recoated it again. And now it's doesn't look brand new. It does show some patina, as you can see, but it also is looks quite nice, and you actually like to touch it and like to show it and mount it on your camera. In comparison to this one, I don't know. In my opinion, this is better condition than this one. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe you can write me some comments in the comment section. Maybe you can write me some comments in the comment section whether you like your lenses whether in this condition or in this condition. Personally, I would say I would prefer a lens in this condition, which is preserved for the future years. But in the end, it's a matter of personal taste. If someone asks me in the forums if they should polish their lenses or not, I usually say no, because it's quite a delicate process, and you usually would need some kind of experience doing this. And especially the most important part is if you polish a lens down to the brass, you should apply some kind of coating that will preserve it. Otherwise it just starts to oxidate quite fast and will be in a worse condition than to begin with. But yeah, maybe you can write me in the comment section what you prefer and what your thoughts are on this matter. Until then, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.